And I hook the bottle. Oh, no, I don't. I hook a horse. I hook a horse. Big Bruiser wasn't there. No, don't spoil me, Big Bruiser. Come here. Whoa, look where he's gone. Nathan, I need a hand. Holy schmoly. Look where he's going. Oh, he's on the weed. Oh, it's going to be the best step ever! Whoa!
I can't even keep up!
No, he's on the weed again! Oh, he's going for another run! Whoa! Oh, look where he's going!
He's going to smash you, man!
He's on the reef again!
Oh, no!
Oh!
Can you see it?
Oh, it's massive! Oh, Nathan! Wait till you see this thing! You're going to drag me back out. I'm back in the kelp!
Okay. Where is the fish? You want me to come in?
I just need to get it back in there.
I don't want to balls it
pull
up
my
for
nose
you.
around. I'm in the kelp.
I don't want to get in your way.
It is so big. Well, it's big after you've caught a heap of little ones.
It was... I just seen its tail.
Oh, Big Bruiser!
Oh, look at the back of it!
Yeah.
It was always going to happen. Oh, it's huge!
Yeah.
Oh, dude! That's a monster! Don't you lose it!
I called it, Nathan.
You did.
That's where Big Bruiser lives.
You did it all by yourself.
Wow, he took me like 30 metres, 40 metres down the coast.
Just grab the jig head and tow him in.
Oh, he's too heavy, bro.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Oh!
Where's my boga grips when I need them? Oh, my net.
Don't grab
a
his
minimalist.
tail. Oh! Can you get it? Don't drop it! Don't drop it! Come on, you want me to do something? Can I do anything?
Can you hold that?
Yeah.
Just pop my drag.
Pop your drag.
I mean, pop my bow arm.
Dude, how big is that thing?
Oh,
You can easily say that's a 20-pounder. Nice work, dude. That was so cool.
it's really nice when you call it. And I didn't expect to catch a fish that big. I've been struggling with the little ones all day. Did a really bodged cast my scoot off, came into the perfect spot and caught it where Big Bruiser was going to be hanging out.
Oh man, that's massive.
That there has fulfilled my trip. I don't need to catch any more fish after that. He is just ginormous and in such awesome condition. The other fish we came out here for, and you don't always think you're going to catch them. Well, most of the time you don't catch them. But then a fish like that comes along and you do it. And you can't kill a fish like that. Oh, you deserve to go home after that run. Whoa.
I want to see him swim off. Where is he?
There he is, right there. There he goes.
Oh, he is too.
Look at the size of the thing.